Hello children, welcome to today's class. In our last class, we discussed about our planets, solar system and different moons. Once we will recall all those things and next we will go to the lesson. See here, this is our planet Earth along with other planets, and here Sun is a star. Our first planet Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. So these are the 8 planets along with star we call as solar system. Once we will recall about our solar system and 8 planets and moon and celestial body, what is meant by solar eclipse. So in our last class we discussed about all these things children. So what is solar system? A sun along with 8 planets we call as solar system, and many stars are available, and we have total 8 planets, and some planets we have moon. Now moon is nothing but natural satellite. And here's what is meant by solar eclipse, what is full moon day, new moon day, this all we discussed. Now in today's class I'm going to discuss briefly about each and every planet of our solar system. Once again I'm going to explain about our planets. So to remind about these planets names, so little is somewhat little bit confused when we need to uh, tell order wise. See here, my suggestion is, if you learn this sentence, and it is very useful to you to remember about our planets. See here, my very efficient mother just served us nuts. I explained this in our previous class also. Again, I am explaining here. Here, M for Mercury, V for Venus, E for Earth, M for Mars, J for Jupiter, S for Saturn, U for Uranus, and N for Neptune. So these are the 8 planets. So all these 8 planets of the solar system move around the sun in their fixed path, what we called as orbits. They're revoluting around the sun in a fixed path, what we called as orbit. Orbits are nothing but the path what our planets are revoluting around the sun. Here our first planet Mercury, which is very nearest to the sun. So it takes about 88 days to complete one revolution because it is very nearest planet to the sun. And here when it comes to Venus, it is considered as a Earth twin because its size and composition is similar to the Earth, so that Venus is considered as the Earth's twin planet. Understood children? Coming to our first planet, Mercury children. So here you observe this is the inner part of our Mercury. So here, like our Earth, it has crust, mantle and core. So 3 layers of our Earth is crust, mantle, core. So the top layer we called as crust, the middle layer we call as mantle, and the deepest layer we call as core. Core again divided into 2 parts, inner core and outer core. So it is like our Earth. So here it is path what this planet rotating around this sun. See here, so this Mercury to complete one revolution around the sun, it takes 87.97 days, which means approximately 88 days to complete one revolution around the sun, because here it is very nearest planet to the sun, so it was named with Roman deity Mercury. So here Mercury means the messenger of the gods. And like Venus, Mercury orbits the sun within Earth's orbit as an inferior planet, and is apparent distance from the sun as viewed from the earth never exceeds 28 degrees. If we observe Venus from the earth, so it not exceeds 28 degrees angle from the earth. So this is visible to us after the sunset or before the sunrise. So when we compare to the Eastern Hemisphere and Western Hemisphere, for Eastern Hemisphere people, this is able to see at the horizon of eastern side before sunrise. For Western people, this is after the sunset, so which means both at night time only, without any sunlight only, we are able to observe this planet from the earth. Understood clearly? So this is about our Mercury. Here I am going to explain about amazing facts about the planet of Venus. See here children, this is planet Venus. See here what are the amazing facts about this one is it has no water like Earth, and it is the second planet from the sun, only 67 million miles away to the sun. About 7,500 miles around, close to the size of the planet Earth. So the distance between Venus and Earth planet. And how many days here? We have 365 days for our Earth planet. Here it has only 262 days. Which means to complete one revolution around the sun, it takes 262 days. So this is the hottest and brightest planet in the solar system. That is the speciality. So brightest planet, so that it is visible to from Earth with our naked eye also. Need not to use any objects to observe this planet in the sky. That is the specialty. And here a day on Venus is now longer than a year. So day is very longer than year in Venus. So many hours. How many hours we have for our Earth planet? We have 24 hours per day. Understood? Venus longer than Earth means more than 262 days is equal to 1 day further. Yes, Venus is hotter than Mercury despite being farther away from the sun. This is the second planet even though it is very hot. Why? Because the chemicals mixed in that Venus planet made this planet very hot and bright. And unlike the other planets in our solar system, children, this planet rotates clockwise on its own axis. Clockwise, anti-clockwise, you know that one. So it spins clockwise on its own axis. That is the importance. And Venus is the second brightest natural object in the sky, as I told, and it has 90 times the atmospheric pressure of Earth. So whatever the atmospheric pressure of the Earth is equal to 90 times of Venus. Understood clearly? So which has more pressure means Venus has more pressure than Earth. How many times? 90 times. See here. So how this Venus got this name? Like Mercury, here also the here Venus means the goddess of Roman of love and beauty. Venus means in Roman goddess, symbol of love and beauty. As the second brightest natural object in the sky, night sky after the moon. So we observing our moon, it is brightest because our moon is nearest to us. But here, even we able to observe this Venus also with naked eye, because this one also blinking brightly in the sky. But it is not like moon because it is more far away to earth than moon. That is the main reason, children. What is our third planet, children? Hmm? Yes, exactly. Our third planet is our Earth. You see here, I'm going to show you the image of our Earth. How many years ago? 4 billion years ago. 4 billion years ago, this is our Earth, and here it is Moon. See, Moon is very nearer to the Earth at that time, and see, almost all the these all greenery is the landmass, means our continents. Understood? How many years ago? 4 billion years ago. And you come to this picture, children. You observe here. Here, almost all these earth parts scattered. Yes or no? Land masses. Clear? So, water also scattered. So, because why it happens? Because of the movements under the earth causes to the changing position of the continent. It will comes to you in your higher classes, children. Then I will explain you what are the movements. Now, here you observe the moon. So here there is no gap for looking only, but actual gap is there. You see here, now here our moon also adjusted. Yes or no? Going somewhat far to the earth. That is the picture in the year 2017 present. We have this type of image for our earth. See here, our earth is our home planet. Is a world unlike any other because it, it is in third position in our solar system, as you know that one. Yes, sir. And it is a unique planet in our solar system. Why? Because this planet only has the life. So life means to live what we need. We need air, water, yes, sir, and some for eating plants and other things we need. So these all are available only on our Earth, and there is no other planet has life because of there is no water. We need water, and our Earth completely here. See, 71% of our Earth is filled with water, so that we can say that our Earth is unique planet in solar system. So what is the radius of our Earth is 3959 miles, and Earth is the fifth largest planet in our solar system. Which planet? Fifth largest planet after Jupiter, Saturn and all. This is the fifth largest planet. And what are the main amazing facts of our Earth? Now I am going to tell. See, Earth is the third planet from the Sun in our solar system. Its name comes from the Old English and Germanic words meaning the ground. Earth coming from the word English and Germanic words. Earth means nothing but the ground. Our amazing planet has been around the quite some time. By researching our planet's rocks, scientists have calculated Earth to be round. How many billion years ago? 4.5 billion years old. What is the age of the Earth? 4.5 billion years. Like all the planets, Earth also rotating and revoluting around the Sun, and it takes the time of 24 hours to complete one rotation. 365 days to complete, means 1 year to complete one revolution mark. Understood clearly? So at what speed? At what speed? Around 30 kilometers per second, not per hour. It travels 30 kilometers per second. If we blink just once our eyes, and it travels more than 30 kilometers in that period. And we are getting different seasons. As you know that how many seasons we have? We have 3 seasons. If we add autumns also, 4. And see here, as I told, our Earth rotating around the Sun by tilting 23.4 degrees on its axis. See here, it is not round, it is like oval shape with bulging and the middle part of the Earth, and it rotating around the Sun slantingly with the 23.4 degrees towards east. Here it is our North Pole and here it is our South Pole. See here, one more fact. This is our Earth view from the space. So here it also spins on its axis. The result, we are getting day and nights and as well as seasons. So people often think of Earth as a gigantic sphere, but in fact its shape is more like a squished ball that bulges out at equator and imaginary line around the middle of the planet, exactly between the North Pole and South Pole. See here, this is a children. As you know that our Earth, we have axis. What is the axis? At 90 degrees exactly, the point from north to south, we have one line, what we call as axis. So based on that support, these all are imaginary lines. So here our Earth is bulging here. Understood clearly? Means somewhat a puffed shape at that place, bulging. And the bulge is caused by the Earth's spin and the effect of gravity. That bulges happens due to the spin, revolution, and rotation. This gravity is an invisible force that attracts objects towards each other. It's this force that pulls things towards the earth and stops us floating off into space because of that gravity. Because of that gravitational force, we are constantly standing on the earth due to the earth's gravitational force. Otherwise, we fell down because earth rotating, continuously moving at the speed of 30 kilometers per second. So here the earth's diameter is 12,800 kilometers, making it the 5th largest planet in the solar system. This is 12,800 kilometers diameter. And so what are the other four? Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, or Neptune, or even bigger. And our Earth is only planet in our solar system known to support life, as I explained. This is because it has two very important things that living creatures need to survive. Lots of oxygen and lots of water we need in our regular life, isn't it? Without water we can't, without air we can't more than 1 minute. Is it possible to live without air, breathe? No. So that whatever the things needed for life, that only occurs in our Earth planet. We have lots of oxygen, we have plenty of water, and we have abundant air because of our trees, isn't it? So that it is very, very useful and one and only planet that which has life in our solar system, so that our Earth planet is a unique planet and which supports the life children. Next planet children, Mars. So this Mars looks like red planet when we observe in our solar system. Yes, so why this planet looking like red in color? Because this planet surface is covered with iron oxide. Iron oxide means rust. So the old iron bars in our home also getting rust. Yes, so because of this rust, this planet looking like red in color. So here if you observe the profile of this one, see what is the diameter? 6,792 kilometers. Is more than Earth or less than Earth? Hmm? Try to find out. And what is the polar diameter here? 6,752 kilometers, children. So the mass here 6.39 into 10 in power 23 kgs is our Earth is only 0.11 in this. So how many moons are there for here? Moons means satellites, natural satellite. Two are there. So what are there? Phobos and Deimos. Understood? So how many days it takes to complete one revolution? 687 days. Understood clearly? And here, we come here, Mars has only 15% of the Earth's volume and just over 10% of the Earth mass. Around two-thirds of the Earth's surface is covered in water, so that Martian surface gravity is only 37% of the Earth. So meaning we could live nearly 3 times higher on Mars than our Earth. So the volume, it is 15% of the Earth's volume and just over 10% of the Earth mass. And Earth's surface is covered with water, but still we are under process to find out water on Mars. So Mars is home to the tallest mountain in the solar system, Olympus Mons. A shield volcano is occur in Mars. So 21 kilometers high and 600 kilometers in diameter. The height and the diameter of the mountain, the tallest mountain in the solar system, means Mars have mountains also. So far many times our astronauts trying to do their research on Mars. Only 18 missions to Mars have been successful. Even our India also successfully launched. And as of 2014, total 40 missions to Mars, including orbiters, lander and rover, as you know that very familiar to this one, landers and rovers, but not counting flybys. The most recent arrivals include the Mars Curiosity mission in 2012, the MAVEN mission, which arrived on September 22, 2014, followed by the Indian Space Research Organization MOM, Mangalyaan. What is the mission name of Mars used by India is MOM, using Mangalyaan orbiter on 24th September 2014. Still, research going on to find out the water on Mars, whether this planet is suitable for life or not. See children, our Jupiter. Our next planet is our Jupiter. See here, Jupiter is the fourth brightest object in the solar system. Only the Sun, Moon and Venus are brighter. It is one of 5 planets visible with naked eye from the Earth. Naked eye means without taking any telescopes and other. Okay, we can easily observe this planet with our naked eye. So the ancient Babylonians were the first to record their sightings of Jupiter. So they invented this planet. Who? Babylonians, our early humans. So the shortest day of the all the planets, only very less hours. What is for Earth? We have how many hours? 24 hours. Here they have only 9 hours 55 minutes. Understood? So here the uppermost atmosphere of Jupiter is divided into cloud belt and zone. So here is Jupiter have round circles also rounds here around this. This great red spot is a huge storm on Jupiter. This one storms, and it has racked for at least how many? 350 years. It is so large that 3 Earths could fit inside it. Jupiter's interior is made of rock, metal, and hydrogen compound. Jupiter's moon, Ganymede, is the largest moon in the solar system. So, this is the one which has 79 moons. For Earth, how many moons we have? Only one moon. Yes, for this we have 79 moons and 4 rings around this. Here not visible. So what is the surface temperature here? Minus 108 degrees centigrade. Minus means very cool. Very cool. Understood? Yes. And when it was recorded, it means in the year 7th or 8th century. Now it is 21st century. So who recorded means Babylonian astronomers. They introduced to the world about this Jupiter. Okay, Nama, clear? Our next planet, children. See here, Saturn. What these all? These all are moons of Saturn. So here, this is the planet Saturn. How many moons this have? How many moons? Anyone of you know? 82 moons. How many? 82 moons it has. 53 moons are confirmed and named, and another 29 moons are awaiting confirmation of discovery and official naming. So out of 82, 29 are awaiting. 53 moons are confirmed their names also. Like how for our satellite moon we have given the name moon. Okay, these all are natural satellites. See here some names: Calypso, Pandora, Methone, Hyperion, Mimas, Rhea. See here Titan, so Enceladus, Janus. So these are 82 moons of the planet of Saturn. See here the giant moon is Titan. So the biggest one among these all are then named with Titan. Saturn is the 6th planet from the Sun and the second largest planet in the solar system after the Jupiter. Then what is the first biggest planet means? Jupiter. The second place goes to Saturn, and it is a gas giant filled with gas, about 9 times that of Earth. How many gases we have on this Earth planet? It has 9 times more than that. So it only has 1/8 of the average density of the Earth. However, with its larger volume, Saturn is over 95 times more massive. Understood? What is the distance from the Sun? 1.4 billion kilometers. Okay. So orbital period is 29 years. To complete one revolution, it takes 29 years. Total, how many planets are there? 82 planets are there, children. These are the amazing facts about our Saturn. So based on the Saturn only, we have Saturday also, as you know. Read here some amazing facts. Saturn is sometimes called the jewel of the solar system. Why? Why Saturn is jewel of the solar system? because it is a planet that is nothing like our own. Humans have been gazing up to at Saturn for a long time. They have been wondering about it for thousands of years. Here are some fun facts about the ringed planet. I mean, Saturn also called as ringed planet. Already you observe the rings around this Saturn planet, isn't it? Yeah. You cannot stand on Saturn. Why? It is not like Earth. Why we are standing on the Earth? Due to the gravitational force of the Earth. Yes or no? Yes. But here there is no gravitational force because Saturn is made mostly of gases. It has a lot of helium. That what kind of gas it has? Helium. This is the same kind of gas that you put in balloons. Once you observe, if beautiful rings are not solid, then they are made up of bits of ice, dust and rock. See how interesting facts these are. Entire Saturn filled with gas, helium gas. Which gas we filled in our balloons. Okay, and the rings, whatever you are observing around this Saturn, are not made up of any solid. It is made up of gas, dust, and rocks, ice. See, some of these bits are as small as grains of sand. Some are much larger than tall buildings. Some are up to a kilometer also. Which one? These small bits like a sand which made the rings around Saturn. The rings are huge but thin. The main rings could almost go from Earth to the Moon, and they are less than a kilometer thick. Other planets have rings. Saturn rings are the only ones that can be seen from Earth. Saturn goes around the Sun very slowly because the distance from Sun to Saturn is very far. So that to complete one revolution, Saturn takes 29 Earth years. One Earth year is equal to 365 days. Yes, here Saturn takes 29 Earth years to complete one revolution around the Sun. See how many years? Saturn spins on its own axis very fast, but Saturn spins around the Sun very slowly, so that a day in Saturn is only 10 hours 14 minutes. In our Earth, 24 hours, but they have only 10 hours 14 minutes because it rotating around the Sun on its own axis very fastly, but revoluting around the Sun very slowly like tortoise, so that it takes 29 years. See children, so as you know, if we follow the textbook, we are not getting these all facts. Is that no? So here is the place to give you more knowledge, children. You based on this, just you try to get more and more information about our solar system. Present where our Earth located. Our next planet, Uranus. See, this is a planet Uranus. It has rings here that is made up of ice. So you can see Uranus here with the unaided eye. You might be surprised to know that you can see Uranus without a telescope. Without a telescope, we are able to observe this one without any protection. See here, this black mark dark spot. This dark spot is dust particles. So, and last, there are confirmed traces of water, ammonia, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, hydrogen sulfide within the layers of Uranus atmosphere. Uranus. Here it is, Pluto, and here Neptune. These all are satellites, natural satellites. These are not planets. These are only moons. natural moons, natural satellites means planets, moons of planets, natural satellites. So here I'm going to tell you about 10 interesting, amazing facts about Uranus now. What are they? Uranus is the coldest planet in the solar system. As you observe, it is looking like blue, like similar to our Earth, where we have the water. Automatically, the planet turns into blue color. And Uranus orbits the Sun on its side. A season on Uranus lasts one long day. How many? 42 years. Uranus is the second least dense planet. Uranus has rings. The atmosphere of Uranus contains ice. Uranus has how many moons? 27 moons. Uranus has 27 moons. Saturn has 82 moons. And Jupiter has 79 moons. See how many rings are there? 13 rings are there for this Uranus. Okay, so these are amazing facts about Uranus, children. So Uranus atmosphere completely contains with ice. It has 27 moons and it has water on the planet. Last planet in our solar system is Neptune. See, Neptune was the first planet to be discovered only through mathematical calculations rather than astronomical observation. That is the speciality of Neptune. It is also looks like blue in color. So the 10 amazing facts about this Neptune is Neptune is the most distant planet, as you know, very far from the sun, so that this planet didn't get proper sun rays, so that without sun rays what happened completely this planet filled with the gases. Okay, and see children, Neptune has the strongest winds in the solar system and is the coldest planet in the solar system, and it has rings also like other Jupiter and Saturn. See, how did this Neptune get its names, children? So Neptune is the eighth planet in our solar system and is known for its beautiful blue color. And it was the color that was used to name it after the Roman god of the sea. Roman god of the sea, so that the Greeks called their god of the sea Poseidon. Neptune also has a diameter that makes it the fourth largest planet in solar system, and it is third largest by mass weight. See, so this Neptune was invented by doing mathematical calculations. Understood? Now coming to the beautiful moon. So far we discussed about our 8 planets along with the sun. Now it's time to explain about the moon. So almost all of you we like our moon very much on full moon day. Yes, full moon day it is very beautiful and it is very bigger and very shiny. Yes or no? Yes, it is very shiny on full moon day. See here, our Earth has only one satellite, one natural satellite is that our moon. So what is the diameter of the moon? 1/4, 1/4 means 1/4 in our Earth. It appears so big because why? It is very near to the Earth, so that when we observe from the Earth, it is looks like very close to the Earth planet. It is about how many kilometers away? 3,84,400 kilometers away, children. It is nearest to us means 3,84,400 kilometers far from Earth. See, the moon also moves around the Earth in about how many days? 27 days on its own orbit, and It takes exactly the same time to complete one spin. As a result, only one side of the moon is visible to us on the earth. So the moon does not have conditions favorable for life. So still our astronauts are trying to complete their research. What are the possibilities available for the life, but it has neither water nor air, so it has full of mountains, plains, and depressions on its, like depressions means like digging earth on surface, so that this environment is not suitable for life now. Okay, these cast shadows on the moon's surface. These moons, in our child days, our grandmas also explaining about different stories. Right? It looks like a rabbit. It looks like a grandmother. Yes or no? So these are nothing but shadows on the moon. So look at the full moon and observe these shadows. See here, and try to observe these things in coming full moon day. Now, coming to satellite. So this satellite, it is natural satellite. Now I am going to explain about artificial satellite. These artificial satellites are used by humans to do their research on the planets, about their life, what kind of environment is there, the planet has the life or not, water. So for this all the things in our regular, not only for that, for telecommunications, yes or no, for our mass communications, news channels, everything, we are using satellites nowadays for clarity. Okay, now I'm going to show you a beautiful video how our satellite, human satellites are landing in our space. Observe children very clearly. See children, for different purposes we are using these type of satellites into the space. So here you observe, this is one satellite, not satellite included in this. This is a launching vehicle. This is our Shar Sriharikota located in Nellore district. So here
अब 10 सेकेंड की दूरी पर है।
10, 9,
अब आप टेस्ट राउंड में देखेंगे 2 आरसीएस रॉकेट इग्नाइट होंगे।
5, 4, 3, 2,
इग्निशन आरसीएस
0 +1
प्रथम चरण और 4 स्टेप ऑन रॉकेट प्रज्वलित हो गए हैं और रॉकेट अपने गंतव्य स्थान की ओर बढ़ने लगा है। आसमान एकदम पूरा नीला है और आप बिल्कुल तरह देख सकते हैं बहुत दूर तक रॉकेट की उड़ान को।
We have a perfect liftoff. The PSLV visible in the clear skies, thrusting at its full power.
First stage performance
and all the
normal.
four platforms burning, initiating their first landing and lifting away from the launch pad towards its target.
इस समय करीब 35 सेकंड हो गए हैं। जो हमारा नेक्स्ट इवेंट होगा वो करीब 70 सेकंड के बाद में, उस समय इसके जो 2 स्ट्रैप ऑन रॉकेट्स हैं उनको अलग कर लिया जाएगा।
The strap-ons will be separated in about 20 seconds now. They are going to burn out and they have provided
First stage performance
a thrust
normal.
of 55 seconds and each of them have given a thrust of about 700 kilonewtons each.
Plus 1 minute.
The PS1 is now burning and we are very close to the separation of the 4 strap-ons. You can see in the clear sky the PSLV just roaring away
Strap on
into the
separated.
skies.
अभी अनाउंसमेंट किया गया है, स्टेप ऑन सेपरेट हो गए हैं। आपने देखा होगा जब रॉकेट उड़ा था वो सीधा ऊपर जा रहा था, अब आप देख रहे हैं उसको हॉरिजॉन्टल हुआ। इसका मतलब इसका जो पिच डाउन मैकेनिज्म है, जो पिच डाउन कमांड है वो रॉकेट को दी जा रही है ताकि रॉकेट पृथ्वी की गोलाकार कक्षा में पहुंच सके।
First stage
यही रीजन
performance
है
normal.
कि अब आप देख रहे हैं उसका जो झुकाव कुछ आपको हॉरिजॉन्टल या नीचे की तरफ दिख रहा होगा।
The first stage performing and it's coming to close to its end. This is a massive stage generating a peak thrust of 4,800 kilonewtons, and we are very close to first stage separation. You can see the separation on the screens. Actually, we could
First
see
stage
that.
separated,
And,
second stage engine started.
Now you can see the trajectory of the stage, the vehicle moving as intended. This is the animation of the second stage burning.
इस समय एनिमेशन में हमको दिखा रहे हैं सेकेंड स्टेज, इसमें कि 41 टन का US-25 और N24 नोदक भरा हुआ है, और इसका प्रज्वलन काल करीब करीब 170 सेकंड का रहता है। और इसकी जो नोजल में आज जो आप देख रहे हैं गैस निकलती हुई, इसी नोजल जिम्बल से इसकी पिच को कंट्रोल किया जाता है। पिच और या दोनों से हम कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं, और रोल कंट्रोल करने के लिए इसमें हार्ड गैस मोटर इंजन लगा रहता है, उसके द्वारा हम इस रॉकेट के रोल को कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं। इससे में रॉकेट अपने मार्ग की ओर बढ़ता जा रहा है, और जैसा कि हम अपने फ्लाइट पैरामीटर्स
The
में
heat shield is now separated, and as you can see the vehicle moving without the heat shield in the animation on your screens.
Open textbook now about asteroids. So what are asteroids? So these asteroids, apart from stars, so far we are discussing about stars, planets and satellites now. These are numerous tiny bodies which also move around the sun like dust particles. These bodies are called asteroids. Apart from stars, planets, satellites, the numerous tiny small bodies we call as asteroids. They are found between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. Scientists are the view that asteroids are part of the planet which exploded many years back. Next one, meteorites. So the small pieces of rocks which move around the sun are called meteorites. Sometimes these meteorites come near to Earth and tend to drop upon it on our Earth. During this process, to friction with the air, they get heat up and it causes a flash of light. So these meteorites. Sometimes a meteor without being completely burnt falls on the earth and creates a hollow. Do you see a whitish broad band like a white glowing path across the sky on a clear starry night? It's cluster of millions of stars. This one is the Milky Way. Present our universe, the solar system, is a part of the Milky Way galaxy. And in ancient India, it was imagined to be a river of light flowing in the sky. Thus, it was named Akashganga. This is Akashganga, looking like water. This is the Milky Way galaxy. So a galaxy is a huge system of billions of stars present whatever we are observing on the sky, and clouds of dust and gases. There are millions of such galaxies that make the universe. It is difficult to imagine how big the universe is. Scientists are still trying to find out more and more about it. We are not certain about its size, but we know that all of us, you and I, belongs to the universe. Yes or no? We all belongs to this universe. Our Earth is a part of our solar system. Our entire solar system is in our Milky Way galaxy. Understood, children? This is our Milky Way galaxy. Here, what is the radius? 52,850 light years. How many stars are there? 25,000 crores plus or minus 15,000 crores. See how big our universe is. Yes or no? These are asteroids. Yes, the small and rocky metallic body that orbits the sun is asteroid. So these are generally irregular in shape. There is no particular shape like Earth, particular shape like Moon. So irregular because these are stones, na. So that these are very big. Sometimes some are small in size. So these asteroids range in size from a few meters to over 500 kilometers. Sometimes this is amazing. Where are they found? Asteroids are found in the main asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. Astronomer Johann Wirth discovered the existence of asteroid in the year 1800. Their number is estimated to be about 30,000, but only 7,000 have been identified so far. So nearly 30,000 asteroids are there in between Mars and Jupiter. These all are nothing but the particles of our planets only. These are meteorites. So it is like a falling light on the falling on earth with burning. So here this heated and glowing from entering the earth's atmosphere as it sheds glowing material in its wake. It is very hot and burning. Children, I hope every one of you gain more knowledge with this video. Yes or no? So that this is your textbook activities here. So you are the earth. This is your solar system. You are living in earth. Earth is in solar system. Solar system is in Milky Way galaxy. This Milky Way galaxy is located in the universe. Now understood clear? So you belongs to earth, solar system, Milky Way and the university. You and I belongs to universe. Can you relate yourself with the universe now? You are on the earth and the earth is a part of the solar system. So that our solar system is a part of the Milky Way galaxy which is a part of the universe. Clear? Harom children, learn more and more by using online classes. Harom.